Hi, welcome back to TON News, your go-to source for the latest updates in TON blockchain ecosystem. Today, we have some exciting milestones and announcements, so let's dive right in. First up, TON has reached a significant milestone of 100 million unique accounts. The TON blockchain is making mass adoption of Web3 solutions a reality as we've surpassed 100 million TON unique accounts. To put things into perspective, as we entered 2024, this number was only 4.3 million, and after months of hard work and development, we are proud to highlight the Open Network as the fastest growing L1 blockchain. A wide variety of applications have facilitated this progress, showcasing the need for a platform that makes connecting to Web3 easy. We want to thank the community for believing in the Open Network, and we promise not to slow down in our mission of putting blockchain solutions within everyone's reach. For more information, check out Into the Block, link in the description. Moving on, the first round of TON Bootcamps has begun. TON Society is thrilled to announce the launch of the Hackers League, a global ecosystem hackathon aimed at empowering developers, founders, and hackers to showcase their blockchain skills and innovation. Beginning on October 10th, 2024, the series of 20 events offers participants the opportunity to compete for a share of a $1.4 million prize pool and potentially attract a portion of the committed $2.1 million in venture capital funding, resulting in a total reward of over $3.5 million. Entrants are invited to compete in 5 specialized tracks, ranging from DeFi to GameFi, providing the ideal platform for participants to progress from app concept to a fully funded startup in just 8 weeks. The first cohort of bootcamps has seen events kicking off in Astana, Bangalore, Tbilisi, Warsaw, and London. The second series, starting on October 18th, will see community members from Moscow, Amsterdam, Minsk, Paris competing for their chance to enter the fast track to the Hackers League Hackathon. Next up, let's talk about the sponsors supporting the Hacker League Hackathon. The Hackers League has the support of top names in the Web3 world. TON Apps, Gate Ventures, Aeon, and Dust are the competition's title sponsors, while GSR, Bybit, MEXC Ventures, Arkham, Adsgram, YesCoin, and Foresight are its diamond sponsors. Industry-leading experts from established organizations such as TON Foundation, TON Ventures, Pantera Capital, Curve Finance, and Foresight Ventures will evaluate the participants' projects. And finally, Axelar is integrating with the TON blockchain. Axelar will be integrating Axelar's Mobius development stack as an interoperability platform for TON, the Open Network. Axelar's interchain amplifier technology will facilitate secure and smooth integration, linking the TON ecosystem with more than 68 blockchains. This integration is intended to enhance TON's scalability and create new opportunities for widespread adoption as Web3 applications within the ecosystem prepare to take advantage of these developments. Axelar MDS is fully programmable and permissionless, allowing any project to build its connection and compose freely with any blockchain or off-chain resource. It will serve as TON's latest interoperability platform, ensuring unified liquidity and reducing user confusion caused by various bridged versions of the same asset. Ultimately, MDS will provide a secure and cohesive cross-chain connection for all TON users and developers. Thanks for tuning in to TON News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on all things TON. Until next time, take care and see you soon.